Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Let's talk about creating folders today.
What?
Creating a folder is a quite common and easy task, but what if you have to create hundreds of folders with different names? Well, the mere thought of doing this already makes you feel tired, right? If you are looking for an efficient solution of doing this, then don't forget to watch complete video. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to it so you can benefit from upcoming videos. Let's learn something new today. Here I have list of names I want to create folder with. I am going to rewrite these names in the other columns by using the prefix MD. Let's write MD Zunera and then MD Ahmed. You have two options to follow the same pattern with all the entries in your list. You can either use the flash fill like I am going to use here, but for that you need to type in the pattern in above two cells so that flash fill can follow the pattern for the rest of the cells. So if you are going to use flash fill, type in the required syntax in above two cells, highlight the other cells and press Ctrl plus capital E. And here we are with the entries in required syntax format. But if you don't have flash fill enabled, then you can alternatively accomplish this task using concatenate function. For that, you have to type concatenate, begin a bracket, and in quotation marks type MD, close the quotation marks, add space within the quotation marks, and then select the column you want to concatenate the MD with. Close the bracket and you will achieve the same entries by using this function as we did it before with the flash fill. Now copy these values from here, press Ctrl C, open the empty notepad file and paste your entries here. You have to save this file in the folder where you intend to create these folders. I am going to save it in my downloads folder, and you have to take care to give this file a name 1.bat. You will always use this name while creating this file, and once you type in the name, press save. Now your file will be saved in the folder where you want to create your other folders. Go in that folder and here you will see the file saved as 1. Double click on this file and you will see that it will create your folders in just seconds. Keep in mind that this way of creating folders always create folders in ascending order, like it has arranged our list of names in alphabetical order while they were not properly sorted in our original list. So if you are going to ever use this method to create the folders, don't forget adding the prefix MD because otherwise this method won't work. And secondly, keep in mind that this method of creating folders arrange your folders in the destination in alphabetical order. If you liked today's video, don't forget to hit like, try this method and let me know with your experience in the comment section. Thank you for your time. Stay blessed. Have a good day.